Now, if you're like me, you might have not watched the video all the way to the end. Don't be like me. Watch these videos all the way up until the end because you never know what I'm going to say or what I'm going to provide. I provided you 17 problems. So if you missed those 17 problems, here's the first 6. Here's the next 6. And here's the last 5. We're going to go over these problems right now. Now you can go back, hit rewind, pause, get those problems written down, see if you can come up with the answers before I do. Now number 1, is it a circle, an ellipse, a hyperbola, or a parabola? Well, this one, if you wrote down a circle, you were correct. So this is a circle. Now the reason it's a circle is because the coefficients of the squared variables are equal. Number 2, 5x squared plus 9y squared. I'm going to highlight those. 5x squared plus 9y squared equals 161. It's all about those squared terms. So I'm looking at those squared terms. Positive 5, positive 9, same sign but different numbers. Same sign, different numbers. This is an ellipse. So an ellipse, your coefficients of x squared and y squared are the same sign but different values, but not equal. Let's say that. Same sign but not equal. Okay, how about number 3? Number 3 is 5x squared minus 5y squared, and the rest really doesn't matter in this case. We've got positive 5 and negative 5. So we've got different signs. As soon as we see that different signs, that's a hyperbola. Hyperbola, and that is because we have different signs. And we're going to learn whether or not these open left, right, or up, down in a later lesson. Negative 3x squared plus 4y squared equals negative 11. It's all about those squared terms. Coefficient of x squared, coefficient of y squared, that too is a hyperbola. Different signs. Different signs. Simply just different signs. Y squared plus 10y equals 100. Ooh, this is a great one because I don't have an x squared. So I'm looking at just one coefficient, and that coefficient is just the y squared. So this is a special one, right? Because we're used to seeing these, but it's different than the last 4 we did. We're used to seeing these because we've graphed these since Algebra 1. We just haven't graphed them when we have y squared. This is a parabola. Well, we're going to learn how to graph them when we've got parabolas with a y squared and not an x squared. So we've got a parabola, and this is going to open horizontally. So this opens horizontally. How about the next one? 7x squared plus y squared equals 64. That is, let's look at this. We've got a positive 7 and a positive 1. Hopefully you got that right. That's an ellipse. And that is same sign, but not equal. Okay, hopefully you know how to explain these. So now I'm just going to go through and I'm going to give you answers, just the answers, whether it's a circle, an ellipse, a hyperbola, or a parabola. Number 7 is a parabola. And that one is opening vertically. That part's important. You want to know if it's opening vertically or horizontally. The next one is a hyperbola. The next one is an ellipse. Now hopefully you're just checking your answers here. That's why I'm going so quickly. Number 10 is a circle. So if you are not just checking your answers, you're just writing stuff down, you want to press pause and you want to try and do these on your own so that you can get them right when you have to do it on your own on a quiz or a test or a final exam. Number 11, that is a circle. Number 12 is a hyperbola. Okay, there's 13 through 17. Number 13 is a parabola. Parabolas I've been writing in red just because they're different. And it opens vertically. Number 14 is an ellipse. Number 15 is also a parabola. And this one also opens vertically. Now number 16 and 17, a little interesting here. Number 16 and 17. Number 16, I would probably rewrite here to see what I've got. I've got 1/4, and then I'm going to have an x squared plus blah, 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 right? And that's because I'm going to have 1/4 times x squared plus 6x plus 9, right? And then I'm going to end up with a 1/4 x squared. And then I'm going to have over here 1/4 times the quantity y squared plus 4y plus 4, which is a plus 1/4 y squared. So these coefficients are equal, so that is going to make this a circle. Now what are the coefficients for 17? So I wrote 1/4 x squared plus 1/4 y squared. What would you write for this next one? Would you have 1/4 x squared? Or would you have 1/16 x squared? This one would definitely be 1/16 x squared because here's your 1/4 and all of that is being raised to the second power. And then, and it doesn't really matter what those other two terms are because we're just classifying what type of conic section we have. This next one would be 1/25y squared. Therefore, same sign, different numbers, we are dealing with an ellipse. Same sign, not equal, ellipse. Okay, in the next video we're going to start getting into graphing these conic sections, and we're going to start off with parabolas in our first demonstration of graphing.